In this lesson, we will be using several types of map. Remember that a political map will show you how the Earth is divided into countries or states. If you notice these different kinds of shapes that have borders between them, these are your countries. They will also be, the names of the countries will be in all caps. For example, this country is called Libya, this one is Egypt, and this one is Saudi Arabia. The major cities are going to be shown next to a dot, or if it's a capital city, the name of it will be next to a star, and the name of a city, the first letter will be capital, and then the rest of them will be small. For example, the capital city of Iraq is Baghdad, and a big city in Pakistan is the city called Karachi. Another type of map we are reviewing is the physical map. Remember, the physical map shows elevation or the height of the land. So it's important to look at the key. The key will show you the meaning of the colors. So in this case, the darker the color, the higher the elevation. That is where you will find your mountains. And if you look at this map of this region, you're going to see that there are quite a lot of mountains in this area. For example, right here, we once again have Zagros Mountains. Right here, we have Atlas Mountains. You can also find other physical features on a physical map. The deserts are going to be written down. Libyan Desert, for example. Your peninsulas will also be identified. Your canals are going to be here. Your gulfs and other bodies of water. And of course, your rivers. Remember the squiggly blue lines represent your rivers. Population density map shows where people live in an area or the number of people per square mile or per square kilometer. The key is really important. The key is going to explain the meaning of the colors. So for example, in purple area, which can be found right here on the map, you notice that this is the area with the high population density, over 250 people per square mile area in this location. There are some places with medium population density, which will be your orange colored places. And then the low will be in yellow and this dusty pink area. Right here, you can also see the size of the cities. For example, the square is going to show you the city with over 5 million people. And then as the size of the icons decreases, then the size of the cities goes down. The climate map will show you the major climate zones in the region. Remember, the dry, arid, and semi-arid climates usually will have low population density. It will usually be hot and not enough rain in order for the life to flourish. The cooler climates are going to be usually the cold climates. But on this map, because we're really close to the equator line, you notice we really do not have any really cold climates. We do not have the subarctic or the tundra climates. And then your temperate climates are the ones that are mild climates. Usually those will have high population density. And then we have some tropical climates on this map as well. So make sure, guys, when you look at the map, you check the key. If the map has a title, you have to read the title, and then you examine and study the map to understand what it shows.